Hi, I'm Amy Morgan. Here at PDAO, we have a high standard of care, and we want to make sure that you understand the importance of keeping your appointments. First, we just want to say we understand things happen. You get flat tires, a kid found out they had a test that day they can't miss. There are all kinds of things that can come into the fact that you have missed your dental appointment. One of the most important things that you can do right now if you have missed this appointment is to give us a call or text us back and let us know that you need to get that rescheduled, and we'll be happy to get them back on the book. Now, in terms of getting them rescheduled, you have to remember that whenever you are calling back to get these types of appointments rescheduled, it may be that you have to take a date and time that's not necessarily within your schedule or within where you would like for it to be. Now, this is because we need to get them back in as quickly as possible, so we're going to offer you the appointments that are open and available. We do not want you to delay any type of preventative care such as cleanings or their treatment. In terms of delaying any type of preventative care, this is going to be their cleanings, their fluoride, or their x-rays. We need you to know how important it is to stay on an every 6-month schedule. This is a timeline that has been used for years, that has been proven to have an excellent oral health care outcome provided that the patient continues to come every 6 months. If you are missing a cleaning appointment and you have to call back to reschedule, it is more likely that you are going to have to schedule out a month or two to get back in, and this is a 2-month delay in keeping up with your cleaning appointments. And not only are you having to schedule that out, you're also more likely to lose part of your insurance benefits because your insurance benefits will pay for these cleanings 2 times within a year. And if you miss any type of these appointments and don't get both of them within the year, then you will have lost a 6-month checkup that you have been paying for through your dental insurance. Now, if the appointment that you've missed has to do with treatment, such as a filling, a crown, or an extraction, we definitely need you to make sure that you are getting back on the schedule as quickly as possible. Delayed treatment can turn into larger cavities, more severe decay, and can even lead to an abscessed tooth. Once a tooth has abscessed or become infected, especially if it's a baby tooth, then the child will actually end up having to lose that tooth. And there is a trail on and on and on of what that could end up causing, all the way down to orthodontics. So the important thing for you to remember here is to, when you make an appointment with us, to try to do your best to make it to the appointment. If you have a family emergency or something comes up, we 100% understand. We really want to reiterate how important it is to be able to make these appointments. If you have to reschedule for any reason, make sure that you are calling us back within a timely manner to get back on the schedule. And lastly, we just want to remind you of our missed appointment policy. In this policy, it has been signed by every parent that brings a patient into the practice, and it does state that after 3 or more missed appointments per family, that we have the right to dismiss the family from the practice based on these missed appointments. Now, as a practice, we don't like to have to enforce this policy. We do not want to have to lose families because they've had funerals or flat tires or whatever has happened. So we do try to reach out. We send letters. We're sending this video to you. We're trying to do everything we can to help you be able to make these appointments. Remember, we are just as invested in your child's oral health care as you are. We are hoping that we can work together to create a great oral health care plan for you and your family, and this includes making it to your appointments. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to our office. You can call and ask for Shauna at 479-582-0600, or as always, you can email me at amy@smilesarwild.com.